Hi everyone, good time! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 ways to hide the tails. For example, these tails, how I hide them inside the work. And at the end, I'll tell you which way is the most secure way. Let's start. First way. Join the yarn next to the place you finished the previous round. I'm joining it here. I have double crochets. Okay. And now I'm taking this yarn and this yarn and taking them with myself as I'm going on, putting them here. And now I'm going to create my next stitch into this space, and I'm having my 2 yarns with myself. They actually go inside the crochet. 1, you see I'm still having them with myself, and when I'm going to create my stitch, I insert the hook into the space so that all yarns are inside the crochet, and pull up the yarn. You see, 2, 3, and also next one, make them a bit shorter. To the next space, I'm still having the 2 yarns with myself. 1, 2, 3, and then next space, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, as you can see, they have come with me so far, and this is the back side. The second way is using tapestry needles. For this green yarn, I'm just going forth and back into the same space of green color. Going to the front side and then returning back side. And now it's secure to fasten off. Third way, shorten the tail. It's okay here. And my yarn is consisted of 4 strands of yarns. Separate the strands. Starting from the bottom, it has 4 strands. I divided them in 2 parts, 2 strands this side, 2 strands this side. And now I'm changing the place of this part, these 2 strands. For example, I'm inserting the hook into next loop and changing the place of these 2. Now they are in different places, and I can create a knot. I often create 3 knots, and it's real secure. And I prefer this third way much more than the other ways. And now I'm cutting it. There is a small knot if you pay attention here, but it's not much visible in total. and it's a real secure way. Hope you liked this tutorial. To watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!